Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Yuno Learning. In our series on how to build upon your lexical resource in a much more effective and productive manner, we bring to you yet another video on the topic advertising. Now, let's go ahead and deconstruct the word advertise. The part of speech it hails from is verb, and the form of verbs are advertised, advertised, and the present participle as advertising, meaning to announce or praise a good or a service publicly in order to urge people to buy it. Etymology from Latin advertere, that means to turn towards, from Old French advertis. Sentence usage. They are planning a grand event for launching their latest collection of exclusive garments after advertising and gathering enough attention in the market. Now let's look at some key terms derived from advertise itself. Number one, advertisement. Now, a paid notice telling public about a product or a service. Advert, a noun, that means an advertisement. Advertiser, noun, the manufacturer or company that advertises products. Advertorial, noun, advertisement with appearance of an editorial. Advertising, noun, a paid commercial message promoting goods or services. Advertising budget, noun, money a company keeps apart for advertising. Some other terms from the theme advertising would be sponsor, noun, a person vouching and supporting an organization financially. Sentence, sponsors invested in the newly launched IPO shares of the company after taking into account its profitability, potential, and SEC regulations. Retail, noun, the sale of goods to the consumers in comparatively small quantities. Sentence, the company launched an ad campaign for promoting their latest retail outlets through social media advertising. Wholesale, noun, the sale of goods to business or institutional customers in bulk. Flyer, noun, a printed advertisement on a small handbill. Sentence, a business flyer is a creative, affordable, and effective way to target a company's particular customer base, especially for small organizations. Merchandising, noun, promotion or sale of goods or services for retail. Sentence, genderless merchandising strategies must be deployed by companies to help promote more social interaction. Marketing, noun, promotion and selling of products, including market research and advertising. Sentence usage, their firm uses advanced technology in online direct marketing that helps marketers have a better understanding of their customers. Strategist, noun, one who formulates or implements a strategy. The market strategists develop innovative concepts to promote brand awareness, keeping in mind the market analytics. Coupon, noun, a voucher that offers one discount on a certain product. The coupons distributed could be redeemed by any of the company's branches by the customers. Some other terms to look at are brand ambassador, noun, a celebrity paid to endorse or promote a product. Sentence, hiring the right brand ambassador is essential for an effective brand awareness and marketing campaign. Billboard, noun, a hoarding or large outdoor board that displays advertisements. Sentence, billboards leverage large signage and captivate clients due to their strategic placing. Tantalising, adjective, something that creates excitement or desire. Sentence, advertisers today use tantalizing tactics and storylines in addition to providing enticing details about a product or a service to boost sales. Pop ups, noun, advertisements that suddenly appear on a device screen. Pop up ads are a controversial form of online advertising that is used to attract web traffic. Trademark, Noun, icon, symbol, or brand name unique to a specific manufacturer. Sentence, online ads are required to abide by trademark laws to avoid infringement of third party trademarks. Premium, noun, a sum above nominal price paid as an incentive. Sentence, ad networks have an option to upgrade to premium services for building better engagement and interaction with the target customers. Commercial, noun, a television or radio advertisement for a business. Commercial advertisements are monumental in creating brand awareness and brand name in the market. Jingle, noun, a short song mentioning a product's benefit in a commercial. Sentence, jingles are a part of good and effective ad campaign as consumers tend to recall catchy mottos through them. Now let's look at some questions asked in IELTS exams on the topic advertisement. Speaking. Do you often buy things after seeing an advert? What type of advertisements do you prefer to use for getting information? What sort of advertisements have a deeper impact on people? Cue card. Describe an advertisement you like. You should say what type of advertisement it is, what product or service it advertises, where and when you first saw it. Now let's try answering these questions with the vocabulary we just learned. Do you often buy things after seeing an advert? Even though most of the adverts are quite tantalizing, I'm not often easily urged to buy products or services unless I myself feel the requirement. After watching a commercial, I verify the product details thoroughly to make sure they are reliable and fitting. What type of advertisements do you prefer to use for getting information? I prefer static ads such as advertorials or pamphlets that provide the details of the product instead of motion commercials. Video commercials are definitely more intriguing, however, I find mediums such as flyers more succinct and reliable. What sort of advertisements have a deeper impact on people? Advertisements which, instead of promoting the commercial gains for company, send out a social message or a story are more relatable to the audience. Such ads have a deeper impact on people and make them feel more associated with the brand. Now, this is a writing question asked in the task 2 examination of IELTS. Let's look at it. Some people believe that people will purchase a product based on their needs and advertising is not needed. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now try framing the answer on your own with the vocabulary we just learned. Now that's all for today. For more personalized live IELTS and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today. And don't forget to subscribe.